Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can remove the Big Cartel logo from your site on Big Cartel. So let's get right into it. Now, for this, you need to access your site builder or your site layout editor. And for that, you need to go into account and then go down into shop design. Then you need to click on go to shop designer, and this will enable you to design your site as per your wishes. Now here you can add images which are useful to have on your site. However, to remove this Big Cartel logo, you do need to go into your code and then go into the code. This is the standard code. And then you need to go all the way down until you get to your footer and remove the appropriate, image. So just wait until I find it. You can find it somewhere here and then you'll be able to remove this. Not exactly sure where it is located, so let me just try and search for it if I even can. All right, footer, and there we go. You can see the footer here, and you should find the Big Cartel logo somewhere here. Let me just zoom it in, and once you find it here, you can easily just delete it, and that should be it. I'm not exactly sure if it's here. Rather, it might not be here in the standard code, since this is just the CSS for the page. However, to remove the HTML or whatever is required to remove it, you might need to go here into your template code and into integration code, which does require a subscription. As you can see, it does have a star next to it, and then you just need to find the element that has this here logo and everything. You just remove it, and that is pretty much it. And yeah, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys anymore because I don't have the subscription, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.